Well, hey everybody, Leslie here. Well, today we're going to talk about this question, and I've been asked this question many times, and it's one of the biggest, one of the search terms that people use is the paralegal career worthwhile? Is it fun? Is it enjoyable? And that's our question today, is it enjoyable? And the answer to that is yes, but you have to do some investigation to find out what area of law is suitable to you. What's the culture of the law firm? And can you really find that out? Like, what is it like to be there? Do they respect you? And are they going to ask you to work more than 8 hours every day? When you have obligations at home, and you can't really do that, and nor should you, by the way. So let's talk about those. Culture. You know, it's a little bit difficult to tell if it's a gossip culture by just going on an interview, but you can find out the numero uno point that you're trying to discover, and that is, can you work with this hiring attorney? And the questions that you ask in the interview are so vitally important. So that is one of the modules in the Paralegal Inner Circle class that I put together, but that is also available as a separate class. So you can go to my website and look under courses at paralegalcoffeetalk.com, and you can look under courses and see that. If that's all you need help with, then you can have just that module, but the Paralegal Inner Circle class contains several modules that you certainly need. But the interview questions will help you determine, do I really want to work here? The area of law is so important, so you need to investigate the paralegal duties in various areas of law. So when you're on my website, don't go under courses, but go under the Paralegal Resource Hub and get the playbook today. No charge for that. 8 hours only, that's all you should work every day, 5 days a week. That's all you owe, plus take your lunch hour, okay? Don't train your hiring attorney to not respect your time. And then the last one is respect. So you want to work with somebody that works with you like a team member. The attorney and you are a team. And if that isn't, this for some paralegals, veteran paralegals, they don't have that. But that's a choice. And how you interview will determine what kind of situation you get yourself into. Okay? And I had to learn the hard way regarding this. So go to the Paralegal Coffee Talk page, look around, click on the tabs. This is all for beginner paralegals. And yes, it can be very enjoyable if you get into it the right way.